year, Samsung's Galaxy S series launch feels like D-Day for tech, and 2026 might be no different. As a new leak suggests, we're in for another round of Snapdragon versus Exynos drama. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub for the latest tech news. The Galaxy S26 lineup will have split chipset preferences. The Galaxy S26 Pro and the S26 Plus are expected to run on Samsung's own Exynos 2600 chip. Meanwhile, the top-tier S26 Edge and the powerhouse S26 Ultra will be fueled by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. It's a name that promises big performance. But here's the twist. If you're in the US or China, you may get Snapdragon chips across all models. Samsung has flip-flopped on chip strategy more times than we can count, often balancing cost savings with the desire for top-tier performance. And let's be honest, Exynos still has a reputation to shake when it comes to matching Qualcomm's speed and efficiency. If you're confused about the Pro label, don't be. It's the rebranded base model. And yes, the S26 Plus is back in the game, despite the initial leaks of it being dropped out. And maybe the Edge model might bring a curved screen revival to the series. This year's S25 lineup ditched Exynos entirely, reportedly due to production issues. But with Exynos back in play for the S26, Samsung seems ready to take the market. The Galaxy S26 series is expected to be launched in January 2026, and we're expecting more leaks, more chip debates, and more questions about whether Exynos would finally compete with Snapdragon till then. Are you waiting for the launch? Tell us in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.